This is my new one, Short-Lived Rush. It's terribly cruel, but it's my honest thoughts on certain things. They say love comes from the heart. No, you're describing a place where nerves branch from the spine. And reptile brain shouts command, and chromaffin shoots fuel down the line. Did you have to say those dread 3 words? A short-lived rush and then I want more. Out to the red sky and far beyond the moor. The light in the veins of a leaf in the orange haze of the city smog. A short-lived rush and then I want more. Didn't you see the yellow lights of my eyes? Didn't you see the scaled crest of my head and the fluid curve of my spine? Didn't you feel the surge as I inject my venom? Did you have to say those dread 3 words? A short-lived rush and then I want more. Out to the red sky and far beyond the moor. The light in the veins of a leaf in the orange haze of the city smog. Short-lived rush and then I want more. Short-lived rush and then I want more. Out to the red sky and far beyond the moor. Light in the veins of a leaf in the orange haze of the city smog. Short-lived rush and then I want more. That's a terribly cruel, terribly crass song, isn't it? It's probably the closest equivalent I have to, sexually explicit rap with things like Cardi B, Megan Thee Stallion. I'm not even going to quote that song. You know which one, and heavy bass beat and so forth. Like, she's very literally, very explicitly saying in the first verse, I don't love, I think with my adrenal glands. I literally did actually reference that anatomy chromaffin, which is the actual tissue that produces adrenaline, to get it across in a very vivid way. Look, this isn't about love. I want some short-term scintillation, and then you, my broken toy, can go in the bin, and I will go after some other shiny, glittery attraction I haven't used up yet. That's terrible, I know. But, I like my solitude. I didn't really want anything else from him.